A day after villagers of Makhan village drew the attention of relevant authority towards poppy cultivation near their area by some cookie groups and subsequent confrontation with armed poppy planters, Chief Minister N. Biren today lauded Liangmai villagers of Makhan village for taking strong stand against poppy cultivation in their village. Chief Minister N. Biren, through a post on X, acknowledged the efforts of Liangmai Naga and assured that agencies such as NCB, NAB, Central Security Forces and State Police are on standby to take necessary actions against poppy cultivation and those involved in carrying out such illicit activities. Chief Minister N. Biren also urged people to come forward and join the movement to eliminate drugs from Manipur. It may be mentioned that a team comprising of Liangmai volunteers from Makhan village and a police team led by additional SP of Gangpokpi had gone for a drive against poppy cultivation, which were carried out by cookie groups on land belonging to Makhan Liangmai Naga. The police team, along with Liangmai volunteers, were reportedly manhandled and threatened by armed poppy planters allegedly belonging to Kuki community. And following the incident, Makhan village authority has also demanded action from government against land encroacher and poppy planters, while also complaining on police personnel who reportedly failed to restrain those armed Kuki poppy planters.